Boy, some wet weather across Florida as we go through this week, as we have yet another stalled boundary that's going to be helping focusing some showers and thunderstorms here. Again, that boundary stalled across Florida. Now, north of that boundary, what you have going on are westerly winds, right? And that's why you see all of the dry air denoted by the yellow shading from Raleigh toward Atlanta, toward Myrtle Beach. But boy, south of this boundary is where you have the moisture, and along that boundary as well. And that's where we're going to see some thunderstorms here. Again, the water vapor loop showing you the yellow showing the dry air in the middle and upper part of the atmosphere, the blue and the white showing you where we have moisture. Where do you have moisture? Across Florida, where we're going to be dealing with the thunderstorms today. Now, it's important to note that I think these thunderstorms are going to be more isolated as we go through the afternoon. They're not going to be widespread, but where they form, they're certainly going to pack a punch with some gusty winds and certainly some heavy downpours here mid to late afternoon into the evening hours, and then they'll dissipate later on. But certainly you see a few clusters here, especially between Tampa and Orlando along Interstate 4. It's that boundary that's going to continue to remain stalled for the rest of the week. And what will happen is, I think the thunderstorms become more numerous and they get a little stronger as we head toward Wednesday, Thursday. And I'll tell you what, this front's not going much of anywhere as we get into the weekend as well. So through Thursday, look at the area. You know, we're going to get a few inches of rain here and pockets of heavier rain as well, where we can easily see over 4 or 5 inches of rain and some localized flooding. By the way, the other thing you have to be a little worried about is on the southern end of this front, some tropical development later this week into the weekend, what we call homegrown development, close to the United States. This is not the same setup as what we saw last week. I don't think we have the support that we saw last week, but I'll tell you what, we'll keep an eye on it as we head toward the latter half of this week.